Welcome to Top Review Lab. The Best Wire Manager is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for maintaining a clean and organized workspace, transforming cluttered desks into havens of productivity and aesthetic appeal, ensuring that every cable is neatly tucked away, preventing tangles and making it easier to access the devices you need without the frustration of a digital spaghetti monster. Number 5. JOTO 4-Pack Cable Management Sleeve. Are you struggling with tangled cords behind your TV or computer? We have the perfect solution to declutter your space. This flexible neoprene sleeve offers a simple zip-up solution to manage and hide all your wires. It provides easy access to your cables when needed. Each sleeve is designed to hold up to 8 to 10 cables, and you can even double the capacity by zipping 2 together. The stretchy material adapts to your needs. Simply gather your cables, wrap the sleeve around them, and zip it up. It's incredibly easy to use, making it ideal for both home and office. Instantly refresh the look of your entertainment center or workspace by neatly hiding messy, hanging wires and eliminating tangles. Keep your cords organized behind your TV, computer monitor, or any other electronic setup. It's the perfect solution for a cleaner environment. What we like. This offers a flexible and easy way to bundle your cables. If you have a TV entertainment center or computer setup with multiple cords, this is a great choice. Its stretchy material can hold many cables, and the zipper makes it simple to open and close. What people say. The cable management is very effective and keeps my desk tidy. Easy to install and holds cables securely. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, blending well with my workspace. Number 4. A Plus Electric Cord Cover Full Kit. Tired of messy cables? Introducing a revolutionary solution that makes organizing your wires simple and satisfying. Just snap it on, and you're done. Unlike other kits, this one provides ample length and all the connectors you need to cover your entire room. It's the only kit you'll ever need for a clean, tidy space. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel off the backing, press it to your wall, and your cables are neatly hidden. We even include screws and anchors for an extra secure hold. Designed to last for years, this cable concealer won't yellow or warp. Plus, it's renter-friendly, easily removable without damaging your walls. Everything you need is in one box: channels, connectors, and mounting hardware. It's a complete wire management system built for real homes. Each channel is wide enough to hold several cables, including power, HDMI, and speaker wires, while maintaining a sleek, low-profile look. The smooth white finish looks great as is, or you can easily paint it to perfectly match your wall color for a seamless integration. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit for concealing cables along walls or baseboards. If you're looking for a long-term, clean solution for a whole room, this is ideal. The paintable surface allows it to blend seamlessly with your decor, making your space look tidy and professional. What people say. The adhesive is strong and holds the cables securely. It's very easy to install and adjust the cable placement. The sleek design blends well with my desk setup. Number 3. Xnakko 1 cm double-sided hook and loop fastening tape. Introducing our high-quality cable ties, crafted from durable nylon. They feature a clever design with a strong adhesive hook on one side and soft velvet on the other, ensuring a secure and gentle hold. Easily customize the length you need by cutting these ties to size. They are designed for convenient winding and can be used in either direction, making organization a breeze. Say goodbye to messy cables. These ties are perfect for organizing your living room and office, preventing tangled wires from cluttering your environment. These versatile ties are your go-to solution for managing various cables, including data, power, computer, audio, and extension cords. They offer an economical choice for keeping things neat. Beyond cable management, these ties are also excellent for securing plant branches and vines to supports. They are a fantastic choice for gardeners and home organizers alike. Enjoy the simplicity of these adjustable fastening ties. They are designed for repeated use, offering a convenient and cost-effective way to manage and store your cables. What we like. This is a versatile and customizable option for managing various cables. If you need a simple, reusable tie that you can cut to the exact length you need, this is perfect. It's great for bundling loose cords around your desk, behind your entertainment center, or even for organizing plans. What people say. This wire organizer is very easy to use and install. It keeps all the cords tidy and out of sight. The adhesive is strong and holds well on most surfaces. Number 2. OHill 19-inch metal cable manager, 2-pack. Tired of messy cables? Keep your network equipment tidy and accessible with our robust cable management solution. It's designed to bring order to your server rack. Crafted from high-quality cold-rolled steel, this organizer is built to last. Its sturdy, all-metal design ensures durability and resistance to rust, unlike plastic alternatives. Featuring 12 generously sized slots, it provides ample room for all your network and server cables. Each slot is designed for easy routing and management. Designed to fit seamlessly into any standard 19-inch rack, server cabinet, or shelf. Its OHill height ensures it won't take up unnecessary space. Get organized in minutes. Each unit comes complete with 4 sets of M6 screws and caged nuts for quick and hassle-free mounting. This convenient set includes 2 premium cable managers. You get double the organization power to tackle even the most complex setups. What we like. This is a robust solution designed for professional or home network setups. If you manage cables in a server rack or network cabinet, this organizer is essential. Its durable metal build and ample slots ensure secure and organized cable routing, preventing disconnections and maintaining order. What people say. This wire organizer is a lifesaver for keeping my desk tidy. It has multiple slots that fit various cable sizes, and the adhesive backing is strong enough to hold it in place without damaging the surface. I love how sleek and unobtrusive this wire manager is. It blends in perfectly with my setup and effectively prevents cables from falling behind my nightstand. The design is simple yet highly functional. Number 1. OHill 16-pack black cord organizer. Get a pack of 16 cable clip holders in various sizes. They are perfect for organizing cables for every member of your family. Tired of messy cables around your desk, TV, or computer? These small, neat holders will make your space much more organized and safer. Use them as a table cable organizer, a management kit, or a wire keeper. They are flexible and easy to install wherever you need them. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel and stick the adhesive clips anywhere you need them. Ensure the surface is clean for a strong hold. Made with an extra strong sticky pad, they adhere firmly without leaving any residue behind. This means damage-free removal from most surfaces. What we like. This is a simple and effective way to keep small cables tidy in various locations. If you often find yourself with charging cables or USB cords cluttering your desk, car, or nightstand, these clips are a lifesaver. They are easy to apply and keep your essential cords within reach and neatly managed. What people say. The cable management is very effective and keeps my desk tidy. Easy to install and holds cables securely. The sleek design blends well with my office decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.